I started working with my dad. We grew up doing the work.
When my dad officially started the business, I was only about 3 or 4 years old.
It's small, yeah. I teach, you're gonna have to do that, you're gonna do that, you're gonna clean like that, you look so good.
My sons grow and start working, cleaning, he's doing the roof.
My dad was always big on give it a shot. If we need to redo it, we redo it. So I always had more of a hands-on approach, and you figure it out.
When we come to the United States, we come with 2 luggage.
Even when my dad didn't have work going on, me and my brothers would go door knocking, canvassing, selling fruit, vegetables, potatoes out of the back of my dad's trucks.
I really took over this business. I was about 21 years old. It was really still a small operation, right? You did all of it.
You know, we came out of struggles, and I would never want to have it any other way, because it was those struggles is ultimately what got us to where we are. We really specialize with roofing, siding,
Windows, doors,
gutters,
commercial flat roofing, commercial steep slope roofing.
from residential to commercial. We essentially have the ability to take on the whole envelope.
My guys have to be able to show the issue to the customer before they can price it out. So we're not just going there and pricing out a full roof if the customer only needs a repair.
One of the core values that sticks out the most to me is what we call PMA, positive mental attitude.
You have to keep it positive because let's be realistic. When people call in and their roof is leaking, it's not pleasant for them.
If you help people and you do what's right, God will always pay it forward.
And that's where we say our family's got yours covered, because we teach those family values and we become a family.
I truly love what I do because I love the people I work with, and I love what our purpose is. There's a lot of unscrupulous contractors out there. I know we are doing our best to do what's right.
They do by heart. They treat the customers like family. That's the way I raise my kids.
And it's just been awesome seeing over the years, like the amount of employees come in too, because I always knew it as just my dad, my padre, and my Vavu, versus now we have so many different departments, so much staff that worked here, and like this is family. I consider everyone here family.
It's this community that gave us so much to this organization, and we've been able to change so many lives.
Somebody's home is going to be their biggest investment, right? So they want to protect their home, and I'm honored and blessed to be a part of that.